Welcome to our roundup of the best electric heaters of 2026. Dependable, efficient heating options that help keep your indoor spaces warm and comfortable during chilly days and nights. Whether you're heating up a bedroom, home office, living room, or smaller space that needs a boost of warmth, a reliable electric heater can make a big difference in comfort and energy use. Modern electric heaters offer adjustable settings, safety features, compact designs, and quiet operation, making them easy to use in a variety of settings. We've selected some of the top models based on performance, build quality, ease of use, and overall value. Let's take a closer look at what makes each heater stand out. Starting with the Kitty electric portable heaters at number 5, this model offers a versatile and reliable heating experience. It typically features multiple heating modes, adjustable thermostat control, and balanced airflow that warms up spaces more evenly. The design often includes a stable base and a sleek profile that fits well in modern interiors, while safety features like automatic shutoff and tip-over protection help reduce risk during extended use. Its performance is well suited for mid-sized rooms where you need reliable warmth throughout the day or night. Many users like how this heater combines power with a smooth, consistent heat output that doesn't feel overly aggressive, making it comfortable for long sessions. At number 4 is the Gaia Top Mini Portable Heater, a smaller but efficient option that's ideal for personal warmth. Designed to deliver consistent heat without taking up much space, this mini heater works well on desks, tables, or floors where targeted warmth is needed most. It usually includes adjustable settings to help you control heat output precisely, and its compact build makes it easy to store away when not in use. Users often appreciate its quiet operation and quick warm-up time, which makes it a practical choice for chilly mornings or late-night work sessions. Whether you're in a bedroom, home office, or small living area, this model provides casual comfort without fuss and performs reliably even during extended use. Its energy-efficient design also makes it suitable for daily use without significantly increasing electricity consumption. Moving to number 3, the RoseChem electric portable heater delivers stronger heating capability while still maintaining a compact design. This model typically offers more powerful heat output and enhanced airflow circulation, helping it warm up larger spaces or open areas more effectively. Adjustable temperature controls and multiple heat modes give you flexibility when managing comfort levels. It also includes intuitive controls and often a digital display for easier adjustments. Whether you're trying to take the chill off a living room, den, or larger bedroom, this heater provides dependable warmth and solid overall comfort. Its durable build and reliable fan performance make it a great choice for households that need consistent heat coverage throughout cooler seasons, especially during extended cold spells. Stepping up to number 2 is the Swaki electric portable heater, a solid choice for users who want a compact and portable heating solution. It typically features adjustable temperature settings and multiple heat modes, allowing you to tailor warmth to your comfort level. Its lightweight design makes it easy to move between rooms, while the simple control panel ensures straightforward operation without confusing buttons or features. Many users find it particularly effective for heating up small spaces like bedrooms, offices, or dorm rooms. With built-in safety features such as overheat protection and tip-over shutoff, this heater offers both warmth and peace of mind for everyday use. The efficient heating element warms up quickly, and the unit's quiet operation means it won't disturb sleep or work, making it a dependable companion on cold days. Taking the top spot for overall performance, convenience, and value is the Give Best electric portable heaters model. Designed to deliver powerful, consistent heat with minimal noise, this heater often includes advanced features like adjustable thermostats, multiple heat levels, and safety protections such as overheat and tip-over shutoff. Its design typically supports both floor placement and under-desk use, giving you maximum flexibility for home or office heating. Users appreciate its efficient heating capability and intuitive controls, which make it easy to find the right balance of warmth without frequent adjustments. With stronger airflow and energy-efficient performance, this model helps heat spaces quickly and evenly, making it a top choice for larger rooms or spaces that need supplemental heat on chilly days. Its overall balance of power, portability, and safety features makes it a dependable solution for everyday winter comfort. All of these electric heaters serve different needs and space sizes. The Kitty electric portable heaters and Gaia Top mini portable heater focus on compact and user-friendly warmth, while the Rosechem electric portable heater and Swaki electric portable heater bring stronger performance and broader coverage. And the GiveBest electric portable heaters delivers the most powerful, feature-rich experience for larger spaces or more demanding heating needs. That wraps up our list of the best electric heaters of 2026, from small personal units to powerful options built for larger rooms. If you're upgrading your home comfort, adding a supplemental heat source, or simply preparing for colder days ahead, there's a reliable heater here for you. Let us know in the comments which electric heater you'd choose, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more home appliance reviews and buying guides. Check the description below for the latest prices and deals, and stay warm and comfortable all season long with the right heater by your side.